Welcome to Review Source. When consistent power matters and battery anxiety isn't an option, the right corded tool makes all the difference. Whether you're mixing mortar, drilling reinforced concrete, or driving fasteners all day, unlimited runtime is essential. Today, we're covering the best corded drills, chosen for their torque, durability, handling, and real-world performance. For more details and current prices, check the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up is the standard setter for compact rotary hammers, the Bosch 11255 VSR Bulldog Extreme. Designed for masonry and concrete, this SDS Plus tool balances professional power with serious home renovation usability. It runs on an 8-amp motor delivering 2 foot-pounds of impact energy. With 5,800 blows per minute, it chips through concrete aggressively. A key feature is the multifunction selector, allowing you to easily switch between rotation-only, rotary hammer, and hammer-only modes. A standout is the Vario-Lock positioning system. This lets you lock a chisel into 36 different positions, so you can work at the optimal angle without contorting your body. Plus, the D-handle design optimizes the center of gravity for overhead and downward drilling, helping to reduce fatigue. What users say? In the field, owners praise the Bulldog for durability. Many reported drills through 4-inch concrete slabs like butter and runs cooler than comparable models. Feedback on the keyless SDS Plus chuck is positive, with users appreciating the secure, tool-free bit changes.
Next is a versatile all-rounder for wood and metal fastening, the DEWALT DWD115K. This 3/8-inch variable speed reversing drill is engineered for applications where balance and control are just as important as raw speed. Powered by an 8-amp motor, this drill delivers a speed range of 0 to 2,500 RPM for clean, fast holes. Unlike standard pistol grip designs, DEWALT uses a mid-handle grip here. This shifts the weight distribution to the center, improving balance and reducing the wrist strain that comes with repetitive tasks. It features a 3/8-inch all-metal ratchet and keyless chuck. While plastic chucks often fail to grip bits under high torque, this metal mechanism ensures round shank bits stay seated firmly, preventing slippage when the going gets tough. User feedback centers on the tool's surprising torque. Several reviews describe it as a workhorse that outperforms cordless alternatives in sustained applications. The mid-handle balance is frequently cited as a major ergonomic win, especially for tight cabinetry or framing work. However, because of that powerful motor, some users warn it has a hair trigger response, ramping up to full speed very quickly, so a steady hand is needed for delicate start.
For a hammer drill that bridges the gap between DIY and light masonry without breaking the bank, we have the Skil HD182002. This 7.5-amp corded tool focuses on high-speed impact for brick and block work. This unit features a half-inch heavy-duty keyed chuck. While keyless chucks are convenient, a keyed chuck typically offers a stronger grip for larger bits during high-vibration work. The Skil delivers up to 48,000 blows per minute in hammer mode, making it ideal for pulverizing brick and cinder block. The tool includes a variable speed trigger with a lock-on button to prevent finger fatigue during long sessions. Furthermore, Skil packages this with a 100-piece bit set, making it a great all-in-one solution. The side assist handle is adjustable, providing the necessary leverage to control the tool during hammer drilling. Buyers frequently mention the high value to performance ratio. For typical home projects like installing flower boxes or anchoring shelves, the power is more than adequate. Users appreciate the included bit set, though pros suggest upgrading to premium carbide bits for tougher concrete.
Stepping up to the heavy-duty category, we have the ENEACRO 1 1/4-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer. Designed for demolition and heavy drilling, this tool boasts specs that compete with expensive industrial brands. It features a massive 13-amp motor generating 5.5 foot-pounds of impact energy, significantly more powerful than standard 8-amp models. This makes it suitable for serious chipping, trenching, and braking. It handles 4 functions: drill, hammer only, and a chisel position adjustment mode. Safety is a major focus here. ENEACRO integrated a safety clutch that disengages the torque if a bit jams. This prevents the tool from violently wrenching your wrist, a common hazard with high-torque rotary hammers. Additionally, the handle features a double-layer anti-vibration system to absorb shock before it reaches your hands. Reviewers often describe this tool as a beast and a tank. Users undertaking basement renovations report that it breaks up concrete and thinset with ease. The value proposition is a recurring theme, with many stating it handles jobs that usually require a rental.
Rounding out our list is the perfect companion to the heavy corded options, the Bosch PS31N. While the previous tools prioritize tethered power, this 12-volt max drill driver is included for its precision, compact size, and ability to go where cords cannot. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, with a head length of only 7 inches, this tool is engineered for tight spaces, think inside cabinets or between studs. Despite its diminutive size, the professional-grade motor delivers 265 inch-pounds of torque. It uses a 3/8-inch keyless chuck that securely holds hex and round shank bits. It features a 20+1 clutch system, allowing for precise torque adjustments to prevent overdriving screws in delicate materials like drywall. An integrated LED light illuminates the workspace, which is critical when working in the shadowed recesses this tool is designed to reach. Users love the power-to-weight ratio, noting that it handles 90% of household tasks without the bulk of an 18-volt or corded tool. Electricians and cabinet installers specifically praise it for reducing arm fatigue during overhead work. And that wraps up the top 5 best corded drills. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.